Welcome to Mazabuka Town, the home of Nakambala sugar. Today we are going to look at Mazabuka Town, or do a Mazabuka Town Tour, showing you what Mazabuka looks like and what businesses are found in Mazabuka. Don't go away. Welcome back. For the sake of those who don't know Mazabuka Town where it is located, Mazabuka Town is located in the southern province of Zambia along Livingston Road before Manze Town. Mazabuka Town has a population of 232,000, according to the 2022 country census. Recently, young Erozam opened in Mazabuka in Kaonga streets. In the year 2020, the new bus terminal opened along Nakambala Road. If you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. One of the famous places in Mazabuka Town is Coffee Berry Cafe. Mazabuka is well known because of Zambia Sugar, which owns and operates the Nakambala Sugar Estate, the largest sugar operation in Zambia. Zambia Sugar is the largest single-mill cane sugar producer in Africa. Its roots extend to 1964 when it was established. It is listed on the Lusaka Securities Exchange with 25% held as free float by institutional and private investors. 75% of the company's shares are held by the Ilovo Sugar Africa Group. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In Mazabuka, that's where you are going to find Choppy's Supermarket next to ShopRite Supermarket because of how busy Mazabuka Town is. When it comes to agriculture, if you are looking for farm irrigation systems, agrochemicals, seed, and solar panels, visit Ciplo Tech Enterprise, ETG Agri Inputs, or Livestock Zambia. Other agro shops include Omnia and ATS Agrochemicals, to mention a few. This is what we had for you today. Please don't forget to subscribe. To come up with this free information for you, it took us 3 days. All we ask from you is to subscribe to our YouTube channel Erozam HD, like the video, and share the video with your friends and family.